Want to grab that new skin or battle pass? Here's how to buy V-Bucks in Fortnite quickly and safely. Let's look for the Fortnite store. So launch Fortnite and head to the main lobby. Click on the V-Bucks icon at the top middle of the screen. Pick the V-Bucks bundle that fits your budget. Options range from 1,000 to 13,500 V-Bucks. As you can see, like the higher the V-Bucks go, the more extra V-Bucks that you can get. Click on the one you want and hold the purchase button. This helps prevent accidental purchases. Next step is to confirm your payment. So confirm your payment method. On console, use your platform store. On PC, use Epic Games payment system. You can use reward points, but you can easily link your credit card, PayPal, or other e-wallet services. Just choose the one that you want to use. Double check before confirming. You can even earn a portion of the amount paid back in rewards, so it's a nice little incentive that you can slowly save up. After payment, your V-Bucks will show up instantly, and you're ready to spend. Now you're set to grab the next battle pass or skin. Like and follow for more quick Fortnite tips.